Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at another part that might throw you off a little bit. This is probably a little bit more trickier than the first part I went over. So bring the camera down, we'll take a look at it. So again, hopefully you got this part down. So now what we're going to do is when you end off, your finger's right on here already. But either way, even if you go at it, you want your finger here. What we're doing it's like a power chord, but in reverse. You're going to have your ring finger here on the 7th fret on the A string, and then you're going to have your pointer finger over here at the 5th fret on the D string. So it's like a power chord in reverse. And this is what's called a minor interval. It's a minor third. So, but anyways, again, you can think of it as you got a power chord, you're kind of reversing these two. So now what we're going to do is, I'm bringing up the tabs here. You're going to hit 7 2 times, but then there's a rest. Again, look at that rhythm up top. So it's a rest, and again, I'm not going to go alternate picking on. I'm going to do all downstrokes because it's just, again, metal, it sounds better going downstrokes. There are certain times, when you're going to do down and up, but here we're going to go 2 7s, stop it. Then I'm going to go 5 7, so I'm doing that little reverse power chord, or my minor interval in reverse. 5 7, so 7 7, stop, 5 7. Make sure you get that down good. So we have, now I'm going to go ahead and hit the 5 here on the A string and slide that up to the 8th. Make sure you can do that good. This is on the A string, by the way. Add in that the part before that. And again, I'm hitting this note and sliding up. I'm not hitting this note. So and then after I do that, I'm going to hit that the 8th fret again. So and then I'm stopping again. Again, look at that rhythm up top. You'll see a little rest in there. So it's 7 7, stop. I play a little bit, go to the 8th, and after that second 8th note, the 8 on there where I'm sliding up, I'm resting again. So and then what I'm going to do, now I'm going, and it does form this power chord now, because I'm going to go to the 10th fret, and I'm going to go 10 8, and then let that ring, and then hit 8 again. Actually, you can let it ring because I'm not going to stop it after that. I'll show you the next part. So we have. So let's hit. Stop, and then the backwards power chord. 10 A. One more time. So get that down. And then what we do from there, after we do that, I'm going to move down to the 7. And then I'm going to do 2 7s. And again, a rest there. You have to stop after 2 7s. And again, I'm doing a power chord in reverse. So maybe you might want to start right here and practice these two little sections where you're kind of doing a little power chord thing here. Start with. So you have those reversed, but you're adding these little between. So you're having. 10, 8, 8, 7, 7. Practice that over and over again. And then what you want to do is then maybe you could even just, you don't have to go all the way back to the beginning, maybe try from here. Get that going good, and then finally just add in the whole part. Start again, beginning again. Get that part really nice and tight. Again, you want to make sure you go at this and get it the correct way in the beginning. Don't try to hack your way through it. Then you're going to start playing things wrong and you have to undo all that. So the next part in that is the power chords. So you're going to go from the, and get this is going to be eighth note between the 7 to the 5. So it means you got to do that really quick. 7 to 5 on the A string. And then from here on it's chord notes. So 7, 5, and then you take your time. Eighth note, chord note here. 5, 6, 7. See how it's just quick, then all the rest is even. I see many a time students do this. They try to rush into that chord because they're going here so quick that they start going through here quick. Sometimes the whole thing they go quick, but it's not. It's quick here, and then from here to here it's a chord note. So it's like and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you gotta make sure you get that right. Don't start rushing it. It's not gonna sound right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then get that down. And then what I would do is I wouldn't go all the way back to the beginning. I'd start with this part. Just get that solid. Get that going really good. If you got that going good, by that time you probably have the rest of it pretty good. Then you can go right directly to adding it all together. So.